and desires, and the things I do just make the outcome worse. With every breath I help myself disperse. She's an upside down girl in an upside down world, so she's perfect in my flip retinal field. She makes a lovely chorus to my verse. The most beautiful dead girl to walk the earth. The most beautiful dead girl to walk the earth. You slipped your wrist while you slipped my mind, and the blood flowed out while the synapses cried. Stimuli and myelinated nerves. You rearrange the order of the universe. You let me smell the moon and hear the sun. I can think about it, my brain turned off. That's how deeply in me you traverse. The most beautiful dead girl to walk the earth. The most beautiful dead girl to walk the earth. I smelled your pillow all night long and wrote for you 5,000 songs, hoping one to compress the breaks